Click on the link below to get price. The 3000W/2000W peak dual motor/single motor foldable electric bike is a remarkable addition to the e-bike market, marrying high-performance specifications with practical design. From the moment I unboxed it, I was impressed by the robust build quality and the sleek aesthetic. This bike feels sturdy while remaining surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver in transport. Equipped with a powerful 3000W dual motor, this electric bike provides exhilarating speed and acceleration. Whether I was commuting through the city or tackling steep hills, the bike never faltered. The peak power capability of 2000W offers an impressive boost, especially when navigating challenging terrains. The 52V 30Ah battery delivers an outstanding range, allowing for extended rides without the constant worry of recharging. It easily lasts through long trips, which is a significant advantage for daily commuters or weekend adventurers. The folding feature is a standout aspect, making it convenient for storage and transport. I found it incredibly easy to collapse and fit into the trunk of my car or a compact apartment. This design element doesn't compromise stability or comfort, as the bike maintains a solid feel while riding. The adjustable seat and handlebars further enhance the comfort level, accommodating various body types and preferences. Riding experience is smooth, thanks to the responsive brakes and shock-absorbing suspension system. It handles different surfaces with ease, providing a comfortable ride whether on city streets or gravel paths. The LED display is user-friendly, displaying speed, battery level, and distance traveled, making it easy to keep track of essential information while on the move. One minor drawback is the weight. While it's lighter than many other e-bikes, it's still on the heavier side for some users. However, this is a reasonable trade-off for the performance and features provided. Overall, the 3000W/2000W peak dual motor/single motor foldable electric bike is an excellent investment for anyone looking for power, versatility, and convenience in their electric biking experience.